Ever feel like you're working yourself to the bone, but your life isn't changing? You set massive goal, New Year's resolutions, a complete life overhaul, but weeks later, you're right back where you started. The problem isn't your willpower. The problem is your system. In his groundbreaking book Atomic Habits, James Clear reveals the secret to massive transformation. It's not about giant leaps. It's about tiny, microscopic changes. Here are the 4 truths you need to completely reshape your life. Point 1. The power of 1%. We are obsessed with overnight success, but real change is a math game. If you can get just 1% better each day for a year, you'll end up 37 times better by the end. Small daily habits compound over time like financial interest. Stop looking for a magic bullet and start looking for that 1% edge. Point 2. Forget goals. Build systems. Winners and losers have the same exact goals. The difference is their systems. Goals are about the results you want to achieve. Systems are about the processes that lead to those results. If you change your habits, the results take care of themselves. Stop obsessing over the finish line. Fix the track you're running on. Point 3. Change your identity first. Most people try to change what they do. True habit change is about Cheng Wang Wui Er. Don't focus on behavior, focus on identity. The goal isn't to read a book, it's to become a reader. The goal isn't to run a marathon, it's to become a runner. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you want to become. Point 4. Design your environment. Stop relying on self-control. Motivation is highly overrated. Environment matters more. If you want to practice guitar more, put it in the middle of the living room. If you want to stop eating junk food, hide it or throw it away. Make your good habits obvious and easy, and make your bad habits invisible and difficult. We live in a world that sells quick fixes and instant gratification. Atomic Habit challenges us to play the long game. Stop focusing on the massive breakthrough. Start focusing on the tiny daily ritual. Choose to stop waiting for inspiration. Choose to start building your system.